What's up with you all? It's me, She, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we start our video, kindly please like and subscribe para ma-update kayo sa bagong video na aking i-upload. And my last post was years ago, so I'm back again to try something new and to create more memories of myself playing games since it's my favorite thing to do. So here's my house right now. So etong house na to is actually not mine, but since hindi pa naman ako nakapaglaro ng masyado ng survival, so I will try with this basic things need, and if I can do it na ako na mismo yung gagawa ng sarili kong house na walang ganito and everything, but I think kaya ko naman siguro since nakapag-try ako nung nakaraang araw and I forgot to record since this day is I realized that I just want to start videoing or recording my things since wala namang mawawala sa akin. So, for today's episode, this is episode 1 of my Minecraft journey, and I will tour you guys to my home sweet home for today na create ng isang friend of mine. Pero hindi siya creative, okay? Ginawa siya by survival. Then, katabi niya yung mga aking neighbor. So, before tayo makapasok is meron na agad na cherry blossom since my favorite color is pink, and that's why pink yung ginawa niya for me. And pwede ko din naman siyang ipa-join here if you guys wanted. But this episode is gagawin nating minimalist and house tour and everything muna tayo. And sa next episode is mag-grind tayo, okay? So, yan. So, let's start. So, first, eto, Shilat's house. Ako nagsulat niyan, guys, kasi my name is She and nilagyan ko lang ng lat. And pagkapasok natin sa ating ano ang tawag dito sa sa pangmayamang way is yung gate. Yeah, pink din yung gate since favorite color ko nga. And I have crop here and pond here because mas maganda ang house with the pond. And soon maghahanap ako ng mga fish na pwede kong ilagay here. And there's a chicken. So, pasok na tayo. So, ang house na ginawa namin is second floor agad. Tapos, bababa na lang sa pinakababa. So, pagkapasok nyo dito sa house, i-close mo na natin yung door. There is some sofa with bed in it. And the TV, the sofa, and the little small table here. And dito is my office. Yeah, my office kung saan pwede akong magsulat, or if you guys want to shout out, or kung gusto nyo ilagay ko yung mga names here, pwede. Okay? Diyan. Pwede ko kung ilagay mga names nyo if you guys will support me to my journey again. And after that, after the door, meron ditong bedroom. My bedroom. Kulay black. Papalitan ko ata to ng pink since I don't like that. I mean, gusto ko ng black, pero basta yun. Then, after natin sa bedroom, since magiging maikli naman tong episode, so nakakabaan ko na lang since episode 1 naman and starting journey natin to, guys. So, here is the living room. Yeah, sa baba. Since living room, kitchen para sa things na pwede kong gawin every time na and may zombie pa sa labas. So ito yung lutuan and more chest. So yun lang naman yung house na meron ako right now, and isasama ko kayo soon sa mga builds na iladagdag ko dito, since I have been planning to do more episodes and more building para mahasa yung aking building skills, but there will be inspiration and hindi tayo mangunguha lang basta-basta. So lalagyan natin siya ng basta yung tinatawag na para may permiso tayo. So let's go outside, since meron ako ditong bundle. I don't know how to gamit this bundle. Okay. So punta tayo sa ating mga neighbors. And maraming cherry blossom dito kahit hindi naman blossom, no? Gusto ko sana mag-spawn sa cherry blossom. What the hell? Sa cherry blossom biome, man. I'm gonna die. Sa cherry blossom biome. So nalot ko na ata tong house na to. Ayaw kasi ng flowers, so dyan ko na. And dito ulit tayo kay sir. Why do you close that door? Bakit ganito to? Oh, there's a pig. Pwede ko siyang paramihan, and pwede tayong gumawa ng villager trading hall dito. Hanap lang tayo ng chest na pwedeng pagnakawan, and there's a path, but I don't have time to. Uy, pwede pala tayo gumawa ng fishing rod, no? To catch some fish and tame. So kaya naisipan ko, wala namang dito, walang chest, kung sino man gumawa nito, bakit ganito to? Walang chest. Ay. So marami namang village dito, and there's some tupas, and then some kind of cow. So yun, paparamihin na lang natin to sila. And next episode, I will be, syempre spoiler, I will be building, ano bang i-build ko? Building something nice. Wait lang, gagawa ako. Wala bang crafting table dito? Saan pwede kumuha ng trees so that I can reload. Ma-explore ko na ba to? Dapat. So guys, please spread love. Ay, wala. So may village ulit doon, but I don't think so nakaya ko na siyang puntahan. So I think dito muna tayo sa loob, since guys I'm not ready for this, since I'm just a girl, takot lang ako sa mga zombies na papatay sa akin, like for real. So sleep na tayo, then we're gonna make wood outside. Okay. So magpuputol na tayo ng dito na tayo agad putulin. Dapat pala kumano ako ng kaya ba tong I don't think so na kaya niyang magputol ng wood, but let's try. And this episode is kinda Hindi ko alam kung anong uri ng ano ito. Bak may may advancement pa tayo. Achievement advancement. Basta yon sa wood kasi pink wood yon. So let's chop this let's chop this bad boy and let's create some stick. Tataka kayo bakit meron akong itemization tapos di pa ako nakapag-create ng stick. Sorry, no. Fishing rod. How to make fishing rod? Fishing rod. Sa ano nga pala yun? Crafting table. Dito ka nga, te. Crafting table. Okay, tara. Back na tayo. Wag muna tayong magpakalayo-layo sa ating soon to be village. I don't know, magiging short lang ata tong episode natin today kasi hindi ako prepared. Ay, putulin na lang natin tapos lagay natin siya dun sa harapan para mas maganda, right? 1, 2, 3 dito. Yan. May notification but still yan. Para may crafting table tayo sa harap ng ating bahay. So, damn. I've got a fishing rod. So, let's go to that pond, you all. And mangingisda tayo. Ba't nga ba ako mangingisda? First of all, bread. Saan nga ulit ayun? So, dito. I think yung ibibuild ko na sarili mismo is ano nga ba? Maghahanap ako ng inspo sa YouTube or sa Black app ng mga pwedeng i-build and pwedeng ilagay dito sa world ko. Gusto ko makakuha ng fish para kunin ko tong puting pusa. Tapos kailangan ba ng pain dito? Ngayon lang kasi ako nagbabalik sa Minecraft eh. Paano gumagana to, boy? Yun. Paano ko makukuha yung fish na yun? Like, how? What? Nung mga times na nagbibideo ko, nagpo-post ako, sobrang hina ng boses ko kasi shy type ako ninte. Like, legit. Like, super, shy, mahihain kong tao that time since ilang taon lang ako noon. Ngayon, wag nyo na alamin. Secret. So guys, I hope na ma-enjoy nyo man lang to kahit kung ano-ano yung pinagsasabi ko dito since it's my first time trying again. Ano ba to? Why this gun? Ano ba kayo? Ba't ba kayo andito? I think I have emerald sa chest pero wag na natin munang pakialaman yun kasi bigay ni kuya mo yon. So, ayoko sana. Ano bang mga benefits mo? Trade. Ano ka? Nova. Tulad. So, eto, librarian to Sureball. since nag-try ako, since fan ako ni Kuya B, Sly the Miner, and Kuya Christian PH. So, that's why naisipan ko mag-ganito. Hindi naman ako nakakakuha ng isda. Ay, sorry. So, anyways. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Sana don't bash me kasi I'm trying naman. So, ngayon lang talaga ako nagbabalik dito. So, bye-bye! Look at my character kasi. She's, we're not gonna be a racist here, okay? She's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. So, next time, hahanap tayo ng character na mas mag-fit sa aking house and sa aking world. So, yun lang. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and share and please subscribe. Thank you. Mwah.